Hi everyone, welcome back to Abra Knowledge channel. Today's topic is on quality objective as per standard requirement class number 6.2. We are going to see a detailed example of various functions. The functions includes HR functions, training functions, new product introduction or new product development and production, quality, maintenance and so on. This is going to be very interesting training program. You can stay tuned till the end. You will get the amazing piece of information. Let's start from the very first slide. So as you all know that the requirement, the class number 6.2 and does state about how we need to manage the quality objective. And in this 6.2.2 particularly, when planning how to achieve the quality objective, the organization shall determine what will be done, what resources will be required, who will be responsible, when it will be completed, how the result will be evaluated, right? So this is the example, and I have an example from various 9 departments, and which we are going to mull over today. One is called business planning and leadership. So they can have the objective as sales growth, internal audit plan versus actual, MRM plan versus actual, organization continual improvement, and so on. And HR can have recruitment, employee orientation, competence matrix, gap analysis, and so on. So this is the high level one. Anyway, we have a detailed one. We are going to discuss function by functions. Let's see. So function wise objective example as follow. So in sales growth, you can have a yearly frequency and 25%, whatever the baseline data you have in the past, you can set from it. And sales growth, you can 25 is a very tight target. You can decide and have it. Internal audit plan versus actual, MRM plan versus actual, organization continual improvement, you can have minimum 3, or in terms of number you can have, in terms of percentage you can have, is you can have as per your requirement. And HR and training, again, once again in HR, recruitment, you can have a frequency and 100% recruitment, employee orientation, competency matrix, gap analysis, training need analysis, training effectiveness also could be wonderful objective you can set. And the NPI and mitigation market needs and customer needs, and you can put it like 50% target, and whatever the baseline you have, accordingly you can proceed it. And production in interesting in process rejection and 1% cost of poor quality you can have, process parameter and production is schedule and on-time delivery, rejection, production performance, all these you can have it as a metric, as an objective for quality management system. And from quality, and you can have it like incoming checking, customer complaint, reduction of customer complaint, or customer complaint through fishbone analysis, and you have a drop test, all these various tests and objectives which you can carry, have these as a set of objectives for to satisfy and meet the class number 6.2 requirement. The last and final is maintenance, purchase and store. Again, once again, you have preventive maintenance, you can have a target, breakdown maintenance, machine history, alternate source of suppliers, supplier performance. This is very important thing, and verify stock, internal stock audit, and so on. So this is the entire one, and I hope you enjoy this video. I will be also will be giving this file link so that you can have this, you can go through this slides also as well on your own time when you find time. So please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful